welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado, Yes.
Aksi wrong muna to bekam to. So wrong. Mina ngathi nangikhule ekhaya bangitshela ukuthi bathini kunempilo leso abafana batwenda so kukuwe ukuthi lokhu nalokhu yakuvuma ngube lokhu nalokhu awukuvuma. Wena ukuvuma kahle. So kufane wafana no ndefula no ndufane wafana no muntu.
Hey banna.
Oh.
Hey banna.
Hey, make sure that my corners are straight, bruh.
Yes, my brother. Look this side. This side. Aye, my brother, they are very straight. Your lines are straight. Konjo orata basadi ne? All women on the street are yours, my brother. With this hairstyle, my brother, you are perfect, my brother.
Ibo, kadu pakansan, gaben son ngiqala ke. Ibo, savelelwa ngoku. Yeah. Wethu.
In a relationship, it's one of the earphone. My fellow, who fell letter holla side one. So I hold one woman travel happy, trying to pretend they are. I will not get mangaling happy tata relationship.
Come on, man! You can!
Hi guys.
1 zillion, 1 trillion, 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 6 million, 8 billion, 1, 2, 3, 3, yes.
Kokipalo nengaka nepizza bese uyancisha. Why? Ngishela. Lumise ke la ekhoneni la. Lekhona leni. Yeah.
Ekhoneni diphi?
How? Lekhona leni. Leli koko.
No.
Lekhona leli.
Hey guys, okay, so a lot of you guys say that I've always had good skin, that my skin has always been this good, but it's actually not true, and I'm going to show you my before pictures before I started using Lani skincare. So this is how my skin looks like right now, no filter, and this is how my skin used to look like. I don't want to be emotional. Yeah, so you guys can see I really had bad dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Guys, it was bad. It was bad. Mara, you know what? Lani skincare, guys.
Guys, this is my skin after using skincare scar Dr. Matthews, like Ilani by Dr. Matthews. This is after. I'm gonna show you before if Beninjan. You see guys, this is how my skin used to look like. I had really bad dark marks. It was very bad.
Ke palla go ke tshwara le tantshwarela ne kore mara Matthew no tšea marking pen a dia di dot a tšea di picture a phumula a fetša go phumula a boa a re skin care a phumula a se no phumula a boa this is how I look like now. It's my fighter, that one. I can move home. I miss you. Oh, Matthew.
If somebody only earns 5,000 Rand a month, what would you advise they do with that money?
This thing is simple, guys. Lo 5,000 makangena as a salary awumshaye ngelitanyula umthatha njengoba njalo uyomfaka kuphi kuBetway. Mawufika kuBetway udlala iAviator, you double that 5,000 sona malini sona 10,000 uphinze uthathe lo 10,000 you double that 10,000 kuAviator sona malini sona 20,000 masona 20,000 withdraw malini 5,000 ubuyisele ebank angithi ngile salary yakho seyiphinzele futhi ebank uthathe lo 15,000 umdablishe futhi sona malini sona 30,000 masona 30,000 sekukuwe ukuthi uhappy noma awukho happy. Guys, mina la TikTok ngitele kutonisida ngito indlela dekwenda imali leti.
Mhlobo.
Tayang.
Tayang.
Hayi.
Ta.
Ta. Suzulunga etrongweni.
Ta ukwendile lapha ma.
Tweet.
Di tsama di le 6 tse. Wa se di tseya ka 100 rand. Ke tse 6 ka 100 rand. Ausmata. Void. Ya di tseya ka 100 rand. Ke di fitise o di tlwele tšhomi. Void.
O mongba jika le yena ka GTI ready ya FL36 DYGP. Manyana le guest house a 50 rand. Naka ibutso le robala maroko a mabyango.
Kakufie avule basket. Esifisha amafuta phakathi evali.
Tsawuthule.
Kakufie umyeke. Uyathola ephaseke. Wathola ephaseke ekhoneni. Usasawa thatha. Avule basket, ufaka basket afaka.
If you're going to use this bleaching cream, understand this. It's completely normal when you wake up and you see red patches on your skin.
Hey, if you wake up and it's red, it means it's waking. It's okay, don't be worried. 6 months later,
My bro, today I slept on my stoop because it was raining. My one foot went in front of other foot and I did the splits. My fucking pillikie swimmer track inside of me, my bro. I know now what it feels like to be a woman finally, bro. Ash. Oh, bro, I had to cook for like 2 minutes.
Buang itlam. Ongkang. Erha. Watu bane, utu papa ne. Itlaking kella matswa hao.
The food that I ate today was very scrumptious. Joe? Are you in English? I never request.
Hey brother, I think I'm lost. Where can I find butter store?
Oh, you're looking for butter store?
Sure brother.
You go straight, ne? You turn left, and then you're gonna see scrap there, scrap cars. You wait, you wait, ne? And then after waiting, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna go left again. Don't go right.
Eh?
My brother.
You're saying I wait?
My brother. I ain't like fuck, my brother. I don't know what you're looking for. Fuck. Let's cross out, Joanne.
But let's go, brother.
Fuck, Zayn.
Bruh.
Next week in Agwe, so we're going to get 100D. If that man were the kidney serious.
Uyaboza papa. Uphethe nesikhwameni. Uphethe nesikhwameni papa.
Ipuzi ngomatobetsa.
Ngomatobetsa.
Ekhawundini uphetula.
Udlala iphi position?
Namba 11 iKaizer.
Uyenzani esiswini Shane?
Ngiyabotobetsa.
Uyihlaba icela.
Ngihlaba icela ngifake imoto.
Alright
Shaya
Shane.
iqondile arismazi. Shaya iqondile arismazi.
Uyitapete. Uyihlaba icela. Yo, fanwa. Awambeka uyitapete Shane, Uyisi. Uyimarine.
Ngihlaba icela. Ngifuna vala. No, yazi du.
Yo, papa. Dokubona fanwa. Dokubona basubuye ejimini. Yes. Sham fanwa. Sham papa.
Bahalabe. Life in go fellow Janep. Life in nep. Hosieri power nep. Hosieri nepe. Timpio look at that shit. Uchana by Meleti. Mohaja wa Mishenzogon. Opala Kucho. Utuile. Zoom Dogo.
Angiyenzi lento yenu.
Kodwa manje uyayenza. No ivideo tela uthisha.
And traffic department yako maopana ina eye test. Bayalona kontle ba busoro wa ibona di stadium akare ya opposite.
Billy, who's your favorite brother?
Ngibonile.
Ini.
Irama.
Wena uyabhora wena.
Ngenzeni irama?
Awuyifuni?
Angifuni.
Isho kahle ukuthi awuyifuni.
Angifuni at all.
At all.
Yeah.
Mili, usho? Usho?
100%.
Ima. Ngasondeli. Usho?
Yeah.
Ungalingi usondele Mili. Ungalingi usondele. Ima, ngithe ungalingi usondele. Usho? Ungalingi usondele. Ungalingi usondele. Suka la. Suka. Uqanga amadola ayi2 pants. Uyi2 pants.
Yeah, futhi kunini usiyojima? Yaphela unyaka siduli. Uzujime next year.
Ena batswadi bo botlhe ba ba leng stress ka diaparo tsa bana tsa Christmas. Ke nna moruti wa leno mo strong o khonontsha lay-by ka thapelo fela. 100 rand fela. Lay-by ya 1.5 ke a ntsha. Hey, Machine Floria, hey moya.
La ba itse ba bana no hore basadi bo botlhe ba banyaka. Ba rata o dikarapa mo bana le sebabo le mahano.
Dimdibate. Adi chep.
Yes, kill him shank this thing. You know what I don't so carry jam my mind. It's a little twiga mo. Gere, it's a
I'm cherry left down with your
Lack of communication.
Yini?
Lack of communication.
You love language.
And ube visit. Oscar was spy. That's all Juvete again with the Kalafon Haiti or George Mokari. I bat wena you. Take it back.
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.